Why am I?
The next couple of days, it's going to feel more like winter.
Yeah. My hands are cold. My hands are cold.
Put them in your pocket then.
But Dad, I'm holding my phone.
I don't know if we need these things.
Dad, here,
Masks.
put the card. This is very windy out there. Why it's chilly.
This is why Mom told you to bring a thicker jacket.
The long one.
Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah.
Listen.
Give me a thicker one.
No, for your jacket.
Close your jacket, Leo.
Can you zip it up for me? Hope we won't miss our train.
You need a much bigger jacket. How long did you have this? Since you were 12 or something?
This is a long jacket. You should not be wearing it.
Maybe I need
wear
to-
a jacket that short. You should be getting one that goes like way down.
I think you need to use, Mother, I need to use her jacket.
No, you can't use Mom's jacket.
I only have a t-shirt.
Mother, you could have my jacket.
Do me a favor. Just zip it up all the way.
You can have my jacket.
No,
No,
no, no.
Leo.
No, no.
No.
Yeah, when we were out in February, it was even colder.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure whether the mask. No, like the staff was not wearing a mask, but she was in the booth, so it might be different if she's in the booth.
Yeah, mommy. Yes, mommy. I love it. What is this place? Everything is moving. I can get the air into. Like it is quiet.
How many trains are we going to wait for before we get on the?
I had to
northbound
wait
train?
until we see the next Johns Hopkins Hospital train.
We're gonna take the next train coming, right?
Yes, we will.
If
Yes, we will.
I like to watch trains go by. Sometimes if one train goes by, then we usually end up catching the one after sometimes.
But no, we want to go to the first.
If that Hopkins train arrives first, you might want to get on that Hopkins. You might want to take a picture of that Hopkins train. If the overfilled train arrives first, I don't know if we're getting on it, you know. Remember, we do this his way, you know. Even though there was a fact that weekend, we went out and prayed my son on that party, and then Blizzard Key during that time.
Dad.
Here comes the train, let's get on.
No, we will see the next train coming.
Oh, the next one?
Yes.
All right. Leo, be careful.
Wait, watch your step.
Careful.
Watch your step.
Don't go.
I'm videotaping. It's very windy. Very windy. Super windy.
Yeah, it sure is. That's March for you. It's always windy in March.
Oh my God! Go!
Hurry!
There it is! 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 We're sorry about that.
this is the joke about Chloe. The door's just closed. Correct.
It's very, very cold. Right. It's super windy. It's very windy. We're in here. It's very cold. Windy. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's very windy. It's very cold. Why it's so windy? That it's very windy.
Because it's March, I even checked the forecast earlier. Today's gonna be a windy day. It won't matter when we're at the when we're in the train. However, when we get to Owings Mills, you know, the train that we are on is going to be turning around. I don't want to wait for trains to go by at Owings Mills. Understand?
Yeah, but I want to see the train leaving at Owings Mills.
But the train leaving at Owings Mills is going to be the same train we came on. I don't want to wait for another train
But
to
Dad,
come.
we
Go
always.
in because it's getting pretty cold.
But Dad, we always. But Dad, we still have time.
In the cars, that's sitting, they wanna ride the train.
Idea?
Don't worry, we still have time until we can see the train leaving at Owings Mills until we wait for the next train arrive. It's what I see at the next train at Owings Mills.
Yeah, but when we go to Owings Mills, we'll go back on the same train we came in on. How about that?
But Dad, we will see another. But Dad, we will see the train leaving at Owings Mills, and then we will get and see another train we're taking back. We will take the next train back. Dad, don't worry, Dad. We will take the next train. We will take back. Right? Don't worry, Dad. We will take the next train back. Dad.
Leo, we cannot be standing here and freezing.
But Dad. But Dad, we have to take the next train back.
Okay, we will. The same one we came in on.
The next. We'll leave. We will get off at Owings Mills and see the train leaving at Owings Mills, and we'll take the next train back. Do you think it's a good idea, Dad?
I think it's a good idea if we take back the same one.
No. We have to take the next train back. Please, Dad, let's take the next train back. Please, let's take the next train
We'll see what
back.
it's like when we get there, because the train that we're on might actually be going out of service, for all we know, Leo. So sometimes when trains go to the end of the line, they turn right around. Other times when trains go to the end of the line, they actually get taken out of service. They need to put them away.
Look behind you.
There you go. It's supposed to go up there, didn't it?
I'm getting freezing.
Yeah, you just a little bit right.
I'm freezing.
We can't argue with Leo. This is his time, you know. He even spent so many months.
Anita.
We're not spending as much time on the train as much as we're actually spending time on platforms because we're not going down these stops. So sometimes, you know, we go all the way from the beginning to the end. He doesn't want to go from the beginning to the end. He actually wants to go to the end and that way, but it's only 2 stops. The only thing is that when we come back to we want to walk.
It's getting pretty windy. Ah.
So would you have put the thicker coat on? I should have put a thicker coat on. Because I was hot when I put the thick coat on, but then I was
Chilly, Dad. It's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold.
This one of the advantages to doing the underground station. They got a fur coat, so. Heck, Harry's been outside for months, and he's fine. He usually comes home, sometimes he's with his girlfriend, you know, but... Oh, God.
Anita.
Oh, it's cold.
The thing with temperatures, Leo, is sometimes you may see a temperature, but it feels much colder because it's windy, or you see a temperature, but it feels much hotter because it's sunny. Perfect example is 57 degrees. 57 degrees when it's windy feels ice cold. 57 degrees when it's...
Here comes the train.
57 degrees when it's sunny actually feels really, 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 really nice. Okay, let's get on this train now.
All right.
Documents in case the conductor says anything. Let's get on the train. We gotta wait till it stops.